How to remove age restriction on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the general option you see there and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for restricted mode, and with this, age restricted videos will be disabled. And with this, you will be able to view the age restricted videos. However, if your account does not meet the guideline for YouTube for age restriction, then you will not be able to view the age restricted videos. So in order to make sure that your account meets the age restriction limit, simply tap on the settings option again and then tap on the switch or manage account option you see there. Here, tap on the manage your Google account option you see there, and now in this particular interface, tap on the personal info option. Here, go ahead and check for your date of birth and make sure that your date of birth meets the age restriction requirement, that is 18 years plus for age restricted videos, and only then you will be able to view age restricted videos. So this was about how you can remove age restriction on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the videos and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.